How hot was it this morning when we were mowing the lawns?
Oh my god, it was so hot.
I've changed my shirt 3 times today already, and it's 11. It's 10 past 11. We get it.
It's done.
Morning guys, we're in the backyard about to put some fertiliser in the gardens. We're going to put cow manure and chicken manure and some hay in there as well. Get this done because we've got a lot of other stuff to do today. We've got this to do, then we're going to go out, get some chicken feed, and then going to go see grandparents, and then come back this afternoon, plant some seeds, get some seedlings done, and see how we go. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so first off we're going to put the chicken manure in this bed and this bed here. The other bed over there we're just going to put a tiny little bit of chicken manure, cow manure in the back, and then cover it with hay. But these two here need a real good top up because we're about to plant a heap of really awesome stuff in here. So let's get it. Now that's in there. Cow manure is next. Let's go. Next is to turn it. Talk about an early morning workout. Whew. The soil's pretty good here. We made it over 2 years or so. If we had a different spot each year to put the tomatoes, for example, then we wouldn't really have to use this manure that we're buying. We could easily just let the soil repair itself and neutralise with the worms and things in there. It's sort of just a quicker way that we can get the most out of our area here. Exciting. I always love seeing that in the garden.
garden up. We're going to plant this afternoon, so we want some sugarcane mulch over top just to protect it from the sun.
Hello, Dylan. Do you want to help me? Yeah? You can pull some out of here if you like.
What's that?
It's just sugar mulch. You pull it out here. You pull this one out. It's a bit prickly. Yeah, you just chuck it over there. Like this. That's a girl. Yeah, it's hard. It's okay. Good job.
This pokey on my finger, what's it?
Yeah, it is a bit pokey on my fingers too. But you just got to keep on trying.
No, they didn't get a pokey. Really hungry. I was.